Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with Yahoo, complete guide step by step clearly. First, familiarize yourself with the basics of web development. Understanding HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is essential. HTML is the backbone of all web pages, providing structure. CSS is used to style your web pages and make them visually appealing. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic features. Next, create a Yahoo account if you don't have one. Visit the Yahoo sign-up page and fill in the required details. Once registered, explore Yahoo's developer resources. Navigate to the Yahoo Developer Network site. Here, you will find APIs and tools that you can use for web development. Consider joining Yahoo's developer community for support and networking. Look for tutorials and documentation provided by Yahoo. These resources will enhance your understanding and skills. Select a project idea that interests you. It could be a simple blog, a portfolio site, or an e-commerce platform. Start by sketching your website layout on paper or a digital tool. This blueprint will guide your development process. Now, choose a code editor. Popular options include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Begin coding your website using HTML for structure. Add CSS for styling your site and improving user experience. Incorporate JavaScript for interactive elements. Utilize Yahoo's APIs where applicable to enhance your project. For example, you can pull in news, weather, or finance data. Regularly test your website in browsers to see how it renders. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure proper functionality. Once your site is complete, consider hosting options. Yahoo offers web hosting services that you might explore. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.